going on right now. 2 personal pan pizzas and 3 breadsticks for $9.99. Might have to try that sometime. Might have to try it sometime. I was just looking for something to grab and go, so I could eat on the go. So. Yeah, but there's certain foods you have to have a spoon or a knife or a fork for. I mean, a spoon or a fork. But what I'm saying, I wanted something.